This Remax Realtec Group property video is presented by Luigi Collage. Desirable Weathersfield Community. Just minutes to Downtown Dunedin, Pinellas Trails and Honeymoon, Caladesi Island. Situated on a beautiful treed lot, impressive front entry, open floor plan, gorgeous great room with fireplace and built-ins, open to the formal dining room with wet bar, beautiful French doors that opens out to the screened-in and covered lanai west/a large newly resurfaced pool, additional open patio/sundeck. Kitchen with a large walk-in pantry, gas range and new stainless steel refrigerator, cozy breakfast nook overlooking the pool. Beautiful master suite with sitting area that can be a nursery or a computer room with French doors leading to the lanai and pool, large walk-in closet and a luxurious master bath with soaking tub and large walk-in shower. 2 bedrooms share a Jack and Jill bath. Large den could be 4th bedroom. Laundry room with new washer and dryer. 2+ car garage. Gas water heater. Newer roof and newer AC. Close to shopping and dining, 10 to 15 minutes to Clearwater Beach, 20 to 25 minutes to Tampa and St. Pete airports. Great home. Great community. For more information, review